Sanjines. Today's video is all about my front porch. I'm going to decorate it for fall. I've never had a front porch like this, so you better betcha. I was so excited. I went a little crazy, but I think it's gonna look so good. I have like this vision in my head, so I really hope it turns out the way I want it to or the way I'm envisioning. So if you guys end up enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn your post notifications. We're gonna go shopping at Hobby Lobby and Home Goods. I'm gonna take you guys along and then I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I bought. Lobby, let's see what we find inside. So I definitely want bigger like statement pieces, even like those big baskets up there, but I don't even know how to get them down. And there's also a lot of like picks and stuff, so I can put these, even stick them somewhere in the front. Oh, I love these to stick in like a vase and put on either side. There's so many pretty planners. They're pretty affordable too. I love this little basket one. I love these tin ones with the handles. Those are super cute. And these ones over here, they're all so pretty. Okay, here's more of what I'm looking for. Like this one that's nice and tall. But this is $50. That's a little too much. I feel like I can find something like this at Ross. But this is totally what I want outside. I love this too. This would be so perfect, but it's $60 and I don't see any signs for any of this to be like 50% off. Usually all this stuff is like 40 or 50% off. This is so cute too. But none of it is on sale, so it's way too much. And all this stuff would be so cute too, like it's all the tin style. And onto my other sanctuary. Don't do me wrong, Home Goods. I'm hoping to find some good stuff. I found the mecca of big pumpkins, big old mamas. Okay, I found a ton of tall vases instead. And they're really affordable. They're like 20 to 30 bucks. I like that orange one up here too. I think I'm gonna grab that one. I do want to look at the rugs and see if there's like a small like jute rug or something that I can put outside under the entrance mat, but I'm not seeing anything that's catching my eye. This is the damage I did. I feel like it looks like a lot more than what it is just because they're huge pieces, like huge pumpkins and stuff. But I'll show you guys when I get home everything that I got. Okay, so onto all of the things that I bought. I got a lot of like huge items, like they're pretty big, and I wanted that to make a statement in the front, because if I get a bunch of little tiny stuff, I was just gonna have to get way too much. It might look cluttered. I don't know. We're gonna see how it turns out. I hope it turns out the way I'm thinking. So yeah, let me just start with Home Goods. I got this big pumpkin. It's a blue one. It does have like silver veins going through it. I thought it looked really pretty. This one was $19.99. These pumpkins are expensive. Honestly, like I knew they were gonna be pricey, but then I was like, I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna have to splurge this one time. And then for the following years, I can obviously continue using the same pumpkins. Okay, and then I got this little orange pumpkin. I wanted different sizes so that they can all just kind of look kind of staggered and just give it like a lot of like depth. So I got this orange one. Obviously I had to get a classic orange, but this one's a little bit smaller. This one was $14.99. I also got this big mama pumpkin. This one was $24.99. These are all from Home Goods. What else? Then I also got this big, is it a pear? I think it's supposed to be a pear. $24.99. I got it in white because I love white. I feel like it's gonna look so nice and clean. And then I also did get these two lanterns. They're both exactly the same, but I figured I can put these on both sides of the porch or maybe even just right next to each other. I thought they were so pretty. I think they were $24.99. Yeah, and I like that the candle is actually fake. It's battery operated, so hopefully this will look good outside. Oh, okay, and then from Home Goods, I also got this guy right here. I showed it to you in store. It was only $9.99. I didn't know these vases were so affordable. I feel like that's such a good price. If you guys can feel this, like this thing is a heavy, nice glass vase. So I figured I can put either like a pampas grass or something, or some sort of, oh, I'll show you what I got from Hobby Lobby. Something like that, kind of with the whole itchy vibes. I thought that could look really pretty, and I like that there's different sizes. So I got two of those, and then I also got, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pick it up, this huge guy right here. This one is big. I love the twine at the lip. I think it looks so pretty. This one was $24.99. Like this thing is big. This is like 3 feet tall. Okay, I'm so sorry. I feel like the lighting just keeps changing on me, so hopefully that doesn't bother any of you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm getting stuck over here in my sweater. The last thing I got is this rug right here. This was $19.99. I don't know how this is gonna look. This one was definitely a risky one. This is something that I might have to end up returning, but the way I envisioned it is I actually went on Pinterest and I saw other people who had put kind of like little entryway rugs like at their porch and then also a mat on top, and I thought it looked so good. So I went with this guy right here. I just like that it's a pretty simple, it looks like a black, I don't know if it's navy blue, but it looks like a pretty dark color. It looks like it can pass as black, and I like that it's a kind of muted colors. I don't know. I thought it could look really pretty, so I'm hoping it does. So I'm gonna put this down right at the entryway, like on the porch, and then I'm gonna put the mat that I got, I'll show you guys in just a second, right on top. Those are all the things from HomeGoods. Moving on to Target, I got a few things. I did get a few of these smaller pumpkins to kind of put throughout. Also, just to like mix and match with the big, huge guys. These ones were all $3. These ones were in the dollar spot, so I got those two and then these two little ones. Oh, I also got this mat right here. It says Hello Pumpkin. I thought it was cute, and I believe this was only $13, so super affordable. They didn't have too many options, or maybe I didn't look correctly, but there's only a few, and this one is my favorite, and I do like that it's actually orange, so it'll give the porch some color. Okay, those are the few things from Target, and then lastly, Hobby Lobby. I got this guy right here. It just has different like stems on it, little pine cones, little pumpkins. I thought this could look really pretty inside those vases that I showed you guys. So I got 2 of them to put on both sides of like the porch, like by the door. These ones were $29.99 with 40% off. So what is that, like $18? So I got 2 of those. And then the last few things that I got from Hobby Lobby, this tray right here, I figured this could look really pretty on top of like an outdoor table, and then put, oh, I can put the small pumpkins on here actually. So put like pumpkins on here. And then I also got 2 of these like bead garland things. I'm not sure, but they have little tassels. I'm not sure how I feel about the tassels. I think it's cute, it's pretty. And the thing is, you can kind of wrap this around maybe some of the vases, put it on top of something, kind of have it just hanging over. I thought it could look really pretty. And these ones were only $10 with 50% off, I think. Oh no, wait, they're $15 with 50% off. So around $7, $8 each. So I got 2 of those, and those are all of the things that I got. The last 2 things, or last few things that I need actually are either at Home Depot or Lowe's. Their gardening section. I know in the past I've seen kind of like huge potted plants that have just like little tiny florals on it that are orange. I'm not sure exactly what plant it is. I just know I've seen them there before, and I feel like that's gonna be the most affordable. So I do need to go there still, and then I'm gonna kind of line the front porch with that also, and I feel like that's gonna give it so much color and make it look like more alive and just really pretty. So I do need to go there still and get that, but for now, let's go put all of this out and decorate the front, see how it all looks with what I have now, and then we're gonna add the other plants like I said, and yeah, let's go. She hopes for a clear. Okay, let's walk out to the front. I forgot to mention that I did also get 3 real pumpkins. Those ones, oh my gosh, those ones were only $5.99 from Target, so I feel like they make a big statement, and they were so affordable. Let me show you guys how it looks right now. The sun is casting the biggest shadow, but they look cute. I'm gonna rearrange them, and then I got my little sign right here. I'm at Lowe's now. This is exactly what I'm looking for, these little potted plants. These ones come with the little planter also. These are so cute. I want some with a lot of orange, like those ones in the back. I found these ones. These have the most orange, but they also have so much green. There's these ones. This one has all the fall colors. There's 2 of them. Ugh. I do like these ones. Oh my gosh, and it's so full with so many flowers. I'm only $5 more than the one I just showed you. Okay, finally the sun isn't beaming down like crazy. These are the 2 potted plants that I just picked up from Lowe's. I'm sure Home Depot has them too. I put the big pumpkins right here on this little step, and then everything else is back here. Oh, the other thing I didn't share is this pampas grass that I have here that's super tall. This we actually got from a field around here. There's a ton of fields with so many pampas grass, or so much pampas grass, so we just went and cut some down, and then I stuck them in the huge vase that I showed you guys. So looks like this. It's so tall and pretty, and then once we finish with it out here, I am going to take it inside and use it as like my home decor.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something.
Okay, so that's gonna be everything for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Let me know if you guys decorate your porch. Like I said, this was my first time decorating it, and I think it turned out so cute. It's so beautiful. I love like a pretty, like inviting porch. It feels like so homey and so pretty. I just love it. So yeah, give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. Also, you guys, follow me on Instagram. I've been posting a ton of pictures over there. Yeah, that's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.